1 cup of English.
Real English for real life.
Wow, you look really relaxed today. Did you have a good weekend? I always wonder what people actually do with their free time.
Actually, I had a pretty nice weekend. Thanks for asking. I'm Alex, and I love weekends because I can finally relax. Today, we're chatting about what we usually do when we have those 2 days off, so get ready for some simple ideas you can use too.
Perfect. Let's break it down. I want to hear about your Saturday, your Sunday, and whether you like quiet weekends or busy ones. Plus, maybe a few tips for enjoying free time. Let's start with Saturday. What do you usually do after you wake up? I feel like everyone has their own morning routine.
On Saturdays, I usually sleep in a bit, which means I wake up later than on school days. It feels so good to stay in bed and not rush. After that, I have breakfast something simple, like toast or eggs.
Sleeping in is the best. Do you just chill at home after breakfast, or do you go out?
Most Saturdays, I relax at home for a while. Sometimes I watch movies or read. Other times, if I feel energetic, I go out for a walk.
That actually reminds me of last weekend. I went for a walk and bumped into some friends. Do you ever meet up with people or do something fun?
I do. In the afternoon, I sometimes meet friends at a cafe or play sports together. Meeting friends is one of my favorite things about weekends. That and doing my hobbies, like painting or playing guitar.
Sounds fun. Is it always social, or do you sometimes just want a quiet afternoon?
It depends. Some weekends are really busy with plans and activities. Other times, I just want a quiet weekend, staying at home and relaxing alone.
After all those activities, how do you spend your Saturday night? Do you go out or stay in?
Usually, I watch movies in the evening, sometimes with friends, sometimes just by myself. Afterwards, I have dinner, maybe order pizza or cook something simple. It's nice to just unwind and enjoy the night.
Pizza and movies make a perfect Saturday. Do you ever go out late, or do you prefer staying in?
Mostly, I stay at home. It's more relaxing. But sometimes, if there's something special, I meet friends or go for a walk after dinner.
Let's talk about Sundays. Do you change things up, or is it pretty much the same as Saturday?
Sundays are a bit different for me. I usually relax even more, maybe sleep in again, have a slow breakfast, and read or listen to music. The day feels quiet, and I like that.
So, no big plans for Sunday? Just easy activities at home?
That's right. Sometimes I go for a walk or meet friends for lunch, but mostly it's a calm day. I try to get ready for the week, maybe plan meals or tidy up my room.
You mentioned your weekends can be busy or quiet, depending on your plans. What makes a weekend busy for you?
Usually, if I have lots of activities like playing sports, meeting friends, or going out for dinner, it feels busy. On quiet weekends, I stay at home, watch movies, or just relax. Sometimes I do nothing special at all.
There's something nice about both, right? Busy weekends are fun, but quiet ones help you recharge.
Exactly. I like to mix it up. If I had a busy week, I usually want a calm weekend. If I feel energetic, I make more plans.
Let's recap. We learned that sleeping in, relaxing at home, meeting friends, and watching movies are popular weekend activities. Also, weekends can be busy or quiet, depending on your mood and plans.
And don't forget, enjoying free time is important. Whether you stay at home or go out, doing what makes you happy is the best part.
One thing everyone can try is planning at least one fun activity for the weekend, something small, like a walk or a movie. It makes your days off more special.
Thanks for chatting. Hope you all have a great weekend, no matter what you do. See you next time.